Hi Tin! Hi Kat! Ayan, magluluto tayo ng chicken curry today for lunch, Sunday. Nasa house kami ni Pops. Sana masarap pa din ang ating chicken curry. Yan Tin, nagisa na natin yung sibuyas, bawang. Sinutay natin yung ating chicken. So for siguro 5 to 10 minutes bago natin lagay ang ating cubes and sabaw, water. Yan, sana masarap ulit ang ating chicken curry for lunch today, Sunday meal. Hi Kat! Ayan, maluluto na ang chicken curry natin. Malapit na mag-lunch. It's already 12:30 in the afternoon in the Philippines. Yan, sana masarap ang ating chicken curry for today. Magustuhan ni Popsy.